Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to change to a landscape in Canva. So first of all, what you need to do, first you need to upgrade your Canva from free version to Canva Pro version. And don't worry, you will you will be able to use Canva Pro free trial for free. So after you've done that, what you're going to do, you're going to just see right here the resize in magic switch. Click on it and basically click right here the resize button, and you're gonna see right here premeditated sizes for your picture, for your spreadsheet, or for your whiteboard. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and we're gonna choose our own size by clicking custom size, and let's have for example 8.5 by 11, right? And they will show you before you do it how it will look like, or how it look like how it would look like afterwards. Basically, if you click right here the landscape, you're gonna be able to confirm that you want that size, and then basically hit continue and double confirm that you want that size, and basically that's how it looks like. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.